Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be replacing my license plate bulbs on my 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL, and just wanted to take you along with me. It should be pretty easy. Basically this whole housing comes out. It's two clips in the back side and some wires to disconnect. These are the actual bulbs I got. If you need a link to them, just let me know. I'll put it in the description or comments. And you'll also need just a little pry bar, some kind of, this is an actual interior trim piece removal tool, but you can use whatever you have. Something plastic would be good so you're not breaking the plastic on the actual housing. Let me show you this. You should just be able to pop it off pretty easily. You got two clips on each side, I believe. One. I'm gonna work my way down. Just try to pull that off, pop it out. I feel like it popped out. Yep. And then this is what you're gonna see. We got a little basically just a little clip here, and then it's just this. Oh, okay. This just turns right out of the housing. And there's the bulb. Alright, now to replace the bulb, I've got my new bulb here. Trying not to touch the housing, the lens, rather. All you do is pull this out, plop this one right back in. Make sure it's seated on there nice and good. Alright, so one thing I wanted to mention real quick is, if you're a beginner, you probably wouldn't know this. These lights can only go in one way. So I just plugged them in this way, and they didn't work. I'm just going to flip it over and reinstall it the other way. And before putting the housing on, you should check to make sure they're working. Should be on. Yeah, looking good. Now, all you gotta do is twist this on in. Make sure it's twisted in there properly. I'll give you a quick look again. That's what we're looking at. So you actually don't even have to undo these clips. You just turn it right out of the housing. And for reinstallation, all you gotta do is pop her back in. There you go, pop it right back in there. That side is done, and then all you gotta do is the other side. Here's a quick little look at the finished product. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, please give me a subscribe and like. See you soon.